So we're taking a little ride along in our 69 Mustang that we just finished up for a great customer. And kind of what this one is more or less what we call like a Survivor series or a partial build. Really a full-on build, but we're not getting into the paint and body and a full like door gap restoration. So car came in with really nice paint, you know, and it had been restored at one point in time. But I had a tired old motor in it, so it's kind of like how most of these projects go. Just go through a really good discovery process, and through that, just understanding what was the most important things to the customer really was, you know, he wanted a substantially more power, so we chose the 600 horsepower 427 package. This one sports the Terminator X multi-point fuel injection. Like any of the drop-in ready engines, it received the TKX 5-speed transmission package. We got a Wizard cooling system up front. We also got Aeromotive fuel system in the back. So pretty standard, custom set of headers, custom exhaust. So the whole running works. Then we get into the suspension and steering, kind of more part of the car build side. This one received a Ride Tech front and rear. So it's a 4-bar rear. It's got their coilover front. It's just a really well-handling car, pretty stiff, pretty tight, handles really well. We reused his wheels and tires, but went full Wilwood disc brake system. So it's pretty much got all of that. Come to the interior, really the interior is pretty standard. So it's a Dakota RTX gauge system, got vintage air under the dash, so you got creaser comforts, AC, and then really where we spent a good amount of time that's kind of unique, this touch screen, it may not be for everybody, but he wanted a touch screen, and so the audio system, we spent a good amount of time, and I'll say from mounting it into the dash, usually the AC vents are up here, and there's just not, this would get in the way of the shifter, so we've not seen anybody do it. Nothing major, but we moved that up, made some custom bracketry, and then relocated the AC vents down low. Everything's still easy to get to, but this thing rocks too. I mean, the subs in the back, it's all to where it's serviceable. It's got some 6x9s, if I'm not mistaken, or 6.5 inch ones up front, but it's got a killer audio system. Ride quality's good, plenty of power, and just an overall good car. I think this customer is going to absolutely love it.